Jack. So I know one thing in passing you mentioned to me was that you just want to do some kind of treatment, like a post-mommy
makeover.
your mommy makeover, just to tighten up all, help for the stretch marks, help for the veins, help for the skin that's not so firm, especially on the abdomen.
At Skin Renewal, we combine doctor-led care, cutting-edge technology, and a holistic approach to deliver personalized solutions that truly transform your skin. Just what you need right now.
So, tell me about how you feel about your body post-pregnancy.
So, you get your pre-pregnancy body, and then your pregnancy body, and then your post-pregnancy body. And the post-pregnancy body isn't like the pre-pregnancy body. And I think it's definitely a mindset change that a woman has to go through. And I mean, a lot of women, and they look at you like, oh, Jax, you got your body back, amazing. But how you look to them and how you know and how you looked and felt yourself, it's two completely different things. So I mentioned to you,
breastfeeding helped a lot to get rid of the weight. So that's what I found.
It really did. So I don't have a lot of time to work out currently. I work a full-time job. I've got a beautiful 7-month-old that does not enjoy sleeping through the night yet. So there's a lot of factors. I do eat very healthy. And then I do exercise when I can, which is 2-3 times a week. But what else can I do to get my body back, to get the old Jax back?
Okay, so we've got an amazing treatment with our Endymed, the 3 Deep technology, which pushes the radio frequency heat in all skin types right down to where it needs to be tightened. It's called our quick tuck, and that we do a treatment, takes about 45 minutes. You have to do it every 2 weeks, and you'll see how your body will firm up. It's quite amazing because it heats up the internal fibroblasts to about 43, 44 degrees while cooling the epidermis. That's why we can do it in all skin types. And then you can add to that our carboxy, which is amazing for stretch marks. And if we put it deep into the fat, it helps decrease fat because it breaks down fat cells. And then very superficially, it tightens skin. And then we combine that with radio frequency. And that helps cellulite as well and helps just to firm the body up. And it's also great if you've had liposuction and you find that you've got a bit of a eider-down effect on the areas that have been treated with liposuction. So the combination of carboxy and radio frequency, preferably the Endymed 3 Deep technology, will help sort that out. Never be perfect again, but it'll be much better.
99%
yes. And then we've got an amazing cellulite gel that you rub on, and you go bright red because that's bringing all the circulation to the area. So that's our Skin Renewal cellulite gel. It's incredible. And so it calms down after 10-15 minutes. No, you're not having an allergic reaction. You're just bringing heat to the area. And that also, in combination, helps amazingly.
One last question. If you had a C-section like myself and your scar didn't heal as should, or, what can women do to fix that?
Okay, so we've got our laser genesis procedure that helps prevent keloid formation, and it takes the redness out of the scar. We've got our fractional fusion treatments that can help the scar. We've got RF devices that can help the scar, and now we've got our brand new pico laser that just chops up those scars and makes, and tries to get it back to as normal as possible. So it depends. If it's, got pigmentation, then we've got to work on that. And if it's raised as a keloid, a keloid is when you start getting tentacles coming out of the scar. A hypertrophic scar is one that's just raised. So there are different treatments for different types of scars. So there's like 10, 15 different things we can do for post-surgical scars, especially Caesar scars and tummy tuck scars.